Hey, welcome to our channel, Adbutaha Foodies. Today I am sharing a high protein and rich in fiber made without wheat flour and maida. Is high protein breakfast for weight loss. So let's get started with the recipe. Add 1 medium-sized onion and finely chopped 2 green chilies, half-inch ginger finely chopped. You increase or decrease as per your taste. 1 medium-sized carrot finely chopped. 1 cup finely chopped palak leaves. Add 3/4 cup besan flour. Add 1/4 cup ragi flour. Add half teaspoon jeera powder. Add 1/4 teaspoon cumin seeds. Add a half teaspoon turmeric powder. Add a half teaspoon ajwain, also called carom seeds. Add 1 teaspoon pink salt. I am mixing all these ingredients really well with my hand, and it's completely gluten-free. It's rich in fiber and high in fiber. It helps to keep you fuller for a longer time. Thus, this helps in weight loss and weight management. And I am adding 1/3 cup water and mixing well finely. You know, here I am using sprouted ragi flour. Is that once ragi is sprouted up, vitamin C levels tends to increase and leads to absorption of iron into the bloodstream. Once nicely mixed, the batter should be spreadable consistency. That is able to spreadable the batter, which you should be looking at now is best safe, and you store it in an airtight glass container. It will stay in the refrigerator for a couple of days. Add pinch of hing. It will help in digestion, so try not skip it. Mix well. Ragi is ideal to include in diabetic diet, and it is also one of the very few natural sources of vitamin D. Heating tawa, and I'm greasing it with olive oil. Before adding the batter onto the tawa, make sure that you're mixing it really well. Add a half teaspoon oil boil. Cover it with lid and allow it to cook on low flame. 2 minutes later, open the lid and carefully flip it over and allow that side to get cooked as well. Remember, the flame is on the lowest since I am using tawa. Again, cover it with lid. Repeat the same thing with the rest of the batter. Leftover batter can be stored in the refrigerator. So you can enjoy this healthy dish even with any pickle of your choice. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos.